The Leo Jaymz 39-inch electric guitar kit is a comprehensive package that includes everything a budding musician needs, from a full-size electric guitar to a portable amplifier and essential accessories. Crafted with a poplar body, maple neck, and laurel fingerboard, this guitar is designed for both durability and excellent sound quality, making it a reliable choice for musicians. The guitar's SSH pickup configuration and 5-way switching system offer versatile sound options, enabling players to produce a wide range of tones suitable for various music genres. The included 5-watt portable amplifier is lightweight and compact, providing up to 6 hours of playtime, which makes it perfect for practice sessions on the go. With a comfortable C-shaped neck and thoughtful design features like a 25.5-inch scale length, this guitar ensures ease of play for musicians of all skill levels. Leo Jaymz has designed this electric guitar kit to focus on player comfort and performance, making it an enjoyable choice for both beginners and experienced players.